How many died? 600. If you can answer that question and give the apology, I will answer him. I am not beholden to anybody. May mga kolumnista dyan na wait until he meets. Who is he? I am a president of a sovereign state, and we have long ceased to be a colony. I do not have any master except the Filipino people. Nobody but nobody. You must be respectful. Do not just throw away questions and statements. Putang ina, mumurahin kita dyan sa forum na yan. Mga ganun na yun. Tell that to everybody. Ito mga kolumnista, para ba akong tinatakot? Anak ka na.